Good morning, students. My name is Ruchi Gaikwad, and I'm from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Pharmacy, the CH group. Today, I want to discuss what is the Claisen-Smith condensation reaction, and this is in the subject Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry, third in the fourth semester syllabus. B Pharm fourth semester. So, now coming to the what is Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. So here, firstly, I'm discussing that what is the Claisen-Smith condensation reaction, what is the mechanism of this reaction, and what are the various applications of this condensation reactions. So here, in this reaction, the condensation of an aromatic aldehyde with any aliphatic aldehyde or a ketones in the presence of a base or an acid, it gives the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or maybe ketone with the higher chemoselectivity. Means we have to use the aromatic aldehyde with any aliphatic aldehyde or ketones. In the presence of any strong base or any acid, it gives us the alpha beta unsaturated product. And this is also known as the acetoacetic ester condensation, or it also called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. So basically this reaction is affecting the carbon-carbon bond formation in the synthesis, means the carbon-carbon bond formation of the aromatic aldehyde or the aromatic ketone. So therefore, when we have the two carbonyl groups which are adjacent to any methylene group, so the acidity of the hydrogen, means the alpha hydrogen, is highly increased. So therefore, because of this acidity, their methylene hydrogens, means the alpha hydrogens, are also called as the active hydrogen compounds. So now let us take the general reaction. What is the general reaction? Which I have earlier discussed, that we have to take the aromatic aldehyde with the any aliphatic aldehyde or maybe the aliphatic ketone or maybe the aliphatic ester. As you can see here, the three reactions. First one is with the aliphatic aldehyde, second one is the ketone, and third one is the ester. With three are of the aliphatic, but this is the aldehyde, ketone or ester. So in the first, we have taken with the aliphatic aldehyde in presence of strong base, it gives the alpha beta unsaturated compound, means it gives the cinnamaldehyde. In this, the ketone, in presence of strong base, it gives the alpha beta unsaturated ketone, benzalidene acetone. And in the third reaction, when we see here, it gives the ethyl cinnamate, means this is the alpha beta unsaturated ester. Now let us take how the reaction works, means what is the mechanism of this Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. As you can see in the first reaction, that when we take this aliphatic aldehyde with any strong base, means this is the strong base, that is the NaOH. So whatever we take with this aliphatic aldehyde or maybe aromatic aldehyde, so in presence of base, it gives this anion, means it is converted into this respective anion. So basically here the base is abstracted the proton, means this base is abstracted this proton from this alpha carbon. This is one is the alpha carbon and this one is the alpha hydrogen. So that gives to give this anion. So here the alpha hydrogen is present. So in presence of base it gives this anion. And further, when we use this aromatic aldehyde with aliphatic aldehyde, so it gives the so this anion will attack this carbonyl carbon of the aromatic aldehyde, means this anion will attack this carbonyl carbon of the aromatic aldehyde, and it produces the oxonium ion, means it gives the oxonium ion. So here, as you can observe, this aromatic aldehyde, which is consisting of carbon having a double bond O, that means the carbonyl group. So this bonding electron, it takes up by the oxygen, so that the oxygen gets the negative charge and the carbon gets the positive charge, means this oxygen gets the negative charge and the carbon gets the positive charge. So so that the positive charge of this carbonyl carbon, the anion is going to be the bind, so that it leads to gives this oxonium ion. So now the further this oxonium ion, it takes the proton from this hydrogen, is takes the proton by this water molecule. So previously during the formation of anion, the water molecule is generated. So here, so from this water molecule, it leads to give this aldol. Basically, the aldol is the aldehyde and the alcohol group. Means this is the aldehyde and this one is the alcohol group. And after this, the subsequent elimination is produced. Means the elimination of water that leads, it gives to product our, it gives our aldol product, means it gives our alpha beta unsaturated product. So this is the mechanism how it works with this reaction. Or maybe we can use this the aliphatic aldehyde, maybe use with aliphatic ketone, or maybe use the aliphatic ester. The same mechanism is here. Now let us discuss what are the different applications of this Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. Firstly, as you can see, it is used in the perfume industry. Means perfume industries, in the say the dibenzyl acetone and cinnamaldehyde is used as a perfume. So therefore, the Claisen-Smith condensation reaction, it helps, or it helps in the preparation of this perfume preparation products. That means in this the aliphatic ketone in presence of base with the aliphatic aromatic aldehyde, it gives the dibenzyl acetone. Also, it can be used in the preparation of benzylidene acetophenone in benzaldehyde plus acetophenone in presence of strong base. It gives a benzylidene acetophenone. Means this is the charcoal. So therefore, it is also used in the various chalcone products. So therefore, chalcones are obtained from this Claisen-Smith condensation reaction, because the chalcones are having this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So, and also we can also use this Claisen-Smith condensation reaction in the synthesis or in the preparation of some natural products. Some natural products such as this inon, flavanone, flavanols and piperine. Okay. So, thank you. This is all about the applications. Now, what are the frequently asked questions regarding this Claisen-Smith condensation? So, these are the 5 questions or the question bank which is basically asked from this Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. So, thank you.